Hi, my name is Dan Middleton. I'm a principal engineer at Intel, where I get to spend most of my day working on open source, including what we do here at Hyperledger. And at Hyperledger, we're not just building technology, we're building a community. At Hyperledger, all are welcome here. Kaikki on tervetuloa täällä. Todos son bienvenidos aquí. Всем добро пожаловать здесь. Et tout le monde sont bienvenus aquí. Hyperledger is the fastest growing project in the Linux Foundation's history. And as we grow one of the largest open source communities in the world, we want to make sure that we're growing a healthy one. Diverse, civil, and inclusive communities don't happen by accident. And in the DCI Working Group, we take the initiative to help the community grow in a way that we can all be proud of. In our working group, contributors get to help form policy and get to help launch initiatives across the Hyperledger community for growing diverse, civil, and inclusive behavior. In the last year, we've been able to help contribute to growing a more diverse technical steering committee, and you'll see diversity, civility, and inclusivity messaging across all of the Hyperledger events and the things that we put out. We need your help in the DCI Working Group to come up with the ideas to help grow a diverse community. Please come be a part of positive change in our community and in the community worldwide. And if you'd like to come help us in the DCI Working Group, there's a number of ways to get connected with us. We're available on the Hyperledger Wiki. We have a chat group on the chat.hyperledger.org forum. And we have an active mailing list that you can post to as well. And we'd also love to see you in any of the virtual meetings that we host on a bi-weekly basis. And in the comments below, let us know what community are you a part of? How can we welcome other people from your community into ours? And how can we help connect you with other people from your community that are already a part of Hyperledger?